In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the length of any song in Premiere Pro without cutting or splicing. Let's get into it. Okay, so here I have my demo project loaded into Premiere Pro. I'm going to bring the music into my sequence. And as we can see, this runs to about 2 minutes long. But let's say if I only want this song to run to a minute. What we can do is load up the Essential Sound in Premiere Pro by going to Window, going down to Essential Sound, and we will see the Essential Sound window load up. What we then want to do is click on Music, and by clicking on this, we'll see the option for duration. Now this option used to be available in Adobe Audition, but Adobe have brought this option into Premiere so that you don't have to keep exporting and re-importing your audio. By clicking on the duration, we can see that familiar remixing option that we used to see in Adobe Audition. What we want to do is choose the remix option, and then I'm going to change that from 2 minutes to 1 minute. Premiere is going to do a clip analysis and remix our song in a couple of seconds. Now if I zoom into this, we can see where the changes have been made. Just like in Audition, Premiere Pro adds these zigzag lines to the song where it's made changes in the beats. Now I think that's a much easier method than cutting and splicing your music like the old days, and it makes for a much quicker edit in Premiere Pro. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.